Good morning. I just want to talk to you a little bit today about self-care, and quite frankly, because I found myself in my own reflection between yesterday and today. When I got on the scale this morning, and I get on the scale every morning, really not to badger myself about the number. I actually really do love myself, and although there's always room for improvement, I'm more concerned when I see the numbers kind of creeping up. And quite frankly, in this last week, I've kind of seen that creep happening. And I have to sit back and ask myself three questions. Those three questions came to me this morning with a big, solid no to every one of them. Have I drank enough? Well, quite frankly, even though I do carry that water bottle with me, I can honestly tell you that at the end of my days lately, it's still full, and I'm wondering what's happening there. What's going on in order for me to kind of step aside from what is very traditionally a habitual act, which is to drink water constantly. My second question to myself is always, have I ate enough? And my life right now is really kind of out of control with the responsibilities that I have in caregiving. It's a little insane. There's not a whole lot of balance between my time with myself, my time with my husband, my time with my family, my devotion to work, and then, of course, the caregiving. And so I'm saying to myself, the crazy thing about this, the crazy piece about self-care is sometimes there's no stopping the external world, right? There's no stopping all of these responsibilities. And so you just kind of put your head down and you get through it. But the problem is the more that you take that mentality of putting your head down and getting through it, well, the further away you get from your own goals. So this morning I'm like, okay, what do I need to do? And you might hear the sizzling in the background while I'm talking to you. I'm actually doing a little bit of mixed greens in the pan because I'm about to add some eggs and some flaxseed and some avocado to that, because I found myself 10 extra minutes this morning. Part of it is right here with you. The other part of it is doing something I should have done at the beginning of the week so that I could pull it out of my fridge. So have I drank enough? Have I ate enough? Have I slept enough? All of those answers are no this morning. So what can I do about it before it becomes an uncontrolled result? And when I mean uncontrolled result, we have little increments of time where we kind of take a step back in our own personal health journey and our goals. And the sooner we catch ourselves, the easier it is to get back on track. So eggs behind me. I've got a ton of food packed in here because, quite frankly, I need portability today. I'm on the road. Chef Billy and I are hanging out with Real Wellness, and that delicious food doesn't come until about 7 or 7:30 at the end of the day, so I've got to be careful with that. I've already got my breakfast going. I've got my hydration next to me, and I actually wrote a little note to go on my dashboard in my car where I'll spend most of my day today telling me to drink my water. Sometimes I have to be my own coach. Maybe today is the day that you be yours. So just think about where you are in the areas of self-care in your life and your goal and your health, and think about one small thing you could do to make a difference today, because ultimately, life never stops. Have a very happy Wednesday. Thank you.